Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today we'll be learning about copying lists, specifically the copy method and the list method. Now first we have copy. I want to be clear about the difference between the syntax of copying and referencing. If you write list2 equals to list1, for example, list2 becomes attached to list1. So any changes that list1 undergoes, list2 will also be changed. Sometimes we want that, sometimes we don't want that. That is not what copy does. What copy does is that it simply copy the elements within list1, okay? If you change list1, list2 will be the old list1. The syntax goes, we have list1, pen, pencil, and paper. For list2, we can write list1 dot the copy method, and it's as simple as that. I have the list cars and Toyota for the first element, Nissan and Ford. New list equals to cars dot copy, print new list, okay? Now another way, the list method, new list2 equals to list cars print new list 2, okay? As you can see here, we print new list over here and it returns list 1, the same with the list method. Now what happens if we change cars? We'll make it into, I'll make the list none and then print cars and print new list once again. And then print new list 2. Control S to save. Let's run it. Okay, as you can see, list 1 becomes none. However, new list and new list 2 remains. Okay, that's the difference. Now, if new list equals to cars, print new list. Let's run it. New list also becomes cars. And I'm going to try changing the cars list once again so you can see the relationship between them. I'm going to pass this as a boolean. True and false. Control S. Runs it again. Now new list becomes true and false. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Our next lesson is going to be joining lists, which is a very simple thing to do, and it's quite convenient. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.